Welcome to Love Life Money Management Tips to Stop Killing Your Wealth. Welcome to this eye-opening exploration of how we spend our money, where you'll discover a surprising truth that many people may not be aware of. If you're wondering where your hard-earned cash goes each month, you're not alone. In this video, we'll delve into 20 common expenses that people, including those with lower incomes, sometimes find themselves struggling with. Stick around until the end to uncover a crucial financial tip that could help you take control of your finances. High-interest loans, borrowing money from payday lenders, or using credit cards with high interest rates can lead to significant financial burdens. Impulse purchases, buying items on a whim without considering the long-term impact on finances. Unnecessary subscriptions, paying for subscription services, for example, streaming, gym memberships, that are rarely used. Eating out frequently, spending a significant portion of income on restaurant meals instead of cooking at home. Alcohol and tobacco, high spending on alcohol and cigarettes can add up over time. Brand name products, opting for expensive brand name items when cheaper alternatives are available. Gambling, frequent or excessive gambling can lead to financial losses. Lottery tickets, spending money on lottery tickets, which often have low odds of winning. Unused gym memberships, paying for gym memberships that are rarely used or not used at all. Fast food and convenience store purchases, frequent fast food or convenience store purchases can be more expensive than preparing meals at home. Late fees and overdraft charges, failing to manage finances can result in penalties and fees. Expensive cable or satellite TV packages, paying for premium television channels when basic services may suffice. Excessive data or phone plans, opting for expensive mobile phone plans with features that are rarely used. Frequent car repairs, neglecting vehicle maintenance, leading to more significant and costly repairs down the road. Unused or unnecessary electronics, buying gadgets or electronics that serve no practical purpose. Payday advances, relying on payday loans, or advances that come with high fees and interest rates. High-interest credit card debt, carrying a balance on credit cards with high interest rates instead of paying them off. Lack of financial planning, failing to budget or save for the future can lead to unnecessary expenses and financial instability. Unplanned medical expenses, neglecting health insurance or failing to budget for unexpected medical costs. Repeated dining out for work or social reasons, frequently spending money on social or work-related events that could be managed more cost-effectively. As we wrap up, it's essential to highlight a significant aspect of managing your finances that many overlook: the power of tracking your spending, and see how you spend your money, where you'll discover a surprising truth that many people may not be aware of. If you're wondering where your hard-earned cash goes each month, you're not alone. You see, it's astonishing how quickly those small, seemingly insignificant expenses like daily coffee runs or quick takeout meals can add up. You might not even realize how much you're spending until you take a closer look at your bank statements. So here's a pro tip: set aside some time each month to review your bank statements. This simple yet effective habit can shed light on areas where you might be wasting money without even realizing it. By identifying these patterns, you can create budgets and make more informed financial decisions going forward. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Where do you think you might be wasting money in your daily life? What expenses surprised you the most in this video? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's help each other make smarter financial choices. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable insights like these.